गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आई एम मोहित। आज हम बात करेंगे बीकॉम प्रोग्राम की। क्या होता है ये बीकॉम प्रोग्राम? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी लर्न इन अ बीकॉम प्रोग्राम एंड हाउ कैन हाईटेक इंस्टीट्यूट कंट्रीब्यूट टू योर जर्नी एंड योर एस्पिरेशंस? University BCom program is typically divided into 3 years. It's an annual program, but we at HiTech feel that 3-year program may not be sufficient because there is a lot to learn for a student if he or she wants to succeed. आपको अगर लाइफ में ऊपर उठना है, आपने बीकॉम प्रोग्राम से कुछ लेके जाना है, तो 3 साल का डिवीज़न हमें बहुत मदद नहीं करता। सो हाईटेक पे हमने क्या किया है, हमने हाईटेक के बीकॉम प्रोग्राम को ईयर सिस्टम के साथ 6 सेमेस्टर्स में डिवाइड किया है। एक तरफ आपका कोर्स, जिसको हम लोग कोर प्रोग्राम कहते हैं, वो यूनिवर्सिटी गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से एनुअल सिस्टम पे चलता है। बट ऑन द अदर हैंड, the more important part, that is the value addition programs at HiTech, they run on the semester system. We have identified many areas of expertise after talking to many industry experts and found what are the topics, what are the skills, what are the trainings that a BCom student should learn to be successful. And we have divided these trainings in 6 semesters. Apart from the core program of a BCom, which in first year focuses entirely on financial accounting, we introduce the students with the concepts of Tally and Tally ERP9 in semester 1. We conduct training sessions for these students so that students can later on give an exam for a Tally certification and become Tally practitioners on their own. In semester 2, we introduce the students to the concept of GST and how to use GST in Tally. How to file GST return, what are the different types of GST returns that are available, and how to be a GST practitioner. Along with that, we also focus on a basic understanding of financial markets. So at the end of year 1, if you work hard, you are a Tally expert and a GST practitioner on your own. Your earning starts right after year 1. Year 2 focuses on core subject areas in finance like cost accounting, income tax, public finance, entrepreneurship, and many others. At HIET, in semester 3, we start with basic analysis and detailed understanding of how to prepare and understand balance sheets, how to use MS Excel to prepare these balance sheets, and how to take decisions with data using MS Excel. MS Excel is one of the world's most commonly used software programs. It is often said, if you know MS Excel, there is no software in the world that you actually need. Semester 4 talks about mutual funds and how to file personal income tax returns. Filing an income tax return is one of the biggest problems for most of the people in the market. If you know how to file an income tax return, you can be an income tax return preparer immediately after year 2 of BCom. So at the end of 2 years, you are a GST expert, you are a Tally certified professional, and you are an income tax return preparer. But the story does not end here. Year 3 focuses on advanced financial concepts like corporate accounting, auditing, and management accounting. But the most wonderful part of the HiTech BCom program is your mandatory internship with a chartered accountant. That is in semester 5. Under a reputed chartered accountant, you will learn things like financial analysis. You will learn what trading is, how to be a trader, how to analyze financial statements, and many more things. Semester 6 of the BCom program trainings at HIET focus on advanced topics like financial modeling, equity derivatives, and portfolio management. So at the end of year 3, whether your aim is to get a job, to go for higher studies or do your own business. You know that at the end of these 3 years, you will be fully equipped to do whatever path you want to take in your life. Just to explain a little bit more in details, I'd like to talk about the way we conduct the Tally ERP program at HiTech. Semester 1 Tally ERP program is divided in 6 semesters, 6 months. Semester 1 Tally ERP training is divided into 6 different months. We start with the basic interface, creating ledgers, creating groups, debtors and creditors, printing vouchers and things like that. Month 2 talks about receipt vouchers, journal entries, check printing, balance sheets, profit and loss accounts, and many more things. Month 3, we take you through a journey on inventory management, goods and services tax, voucher preparations, and sales preparations. In the advanced component of Tally training in month 4, 5, and 6, we talk about purchase order processing, price listing, credit limits, stock transfers, voucher types, point of sale terminals, and many more things. This is just to explain how deep an understanding you will have for each of the trainings that we provide you at HIET. But technical knowledge is one. A student needs much more than that apart from technical know-how. A student needs much more than technical knowledge. A student needs to be confident. The student needs to be well-groomed, good in communication, should know how to appear for an interview, how to give a presentation, and many more things. This is just a glimpse of what HiTech has to offer you during your 3 years program at HiTech Engineering College. I hope most of the questions that you have in your mind have been answered. Still, if you have queries, we'll definitely like to hear from you and try to answer and guide you to choosing the best program for your career. All the very best.